How can I get a quick overview of the performance of my email campaigns in LISTSERV Maestro? LISTSERV Maestro provides a wealth of data about your email marketing campaigns and subscriber activities. Whenever you deliver an email job, an overview report will appear on the dashboard. This report, which is continuously updated, shows the number and percentage of your subscribers who opened your message, clicked on any links, or unsubscribed from your list. The fastest way to dig deeper and to see more detailed data is to click on the chart directly from the dashboard. You will now see a screen containing several sections. The first section contains the same overview report, showing how many people acted on your message. It also features a time distribution chart, which illustrates when the opens and clicks occurred. In the next section, you will see details about the click activity of your subscribers. You will see exactly how many subscribers clicked on each of the links in your message, together with a time distribution chart for when those clicks occurred. If you're including social media sharing icons in your messages, the next section will show the number of times that your subscribers shared your message with their contacts through social media, and any new subscribers that you attracted as a result of those shares. The click rate visualization section displays your message with small charts next to all links, showing the percentage of your subscribers who clicked on each link. These click rates are relative to the number of subscribers who actually opened the message. This will help you assess which areas of the message received the highest attention among those who actually viewed it. If you're using personal tracking, you will notice that each of the open and click entries are clickable. This will show exactly which subscriber opened or ignored your message and which subscriber clicked on which link. This information allows you to send all types of follow-up jobs to subscribers who did or did not open your message or click on a specific link. These overview reports are always downloadable in PDF format, making it easy for you to share the data with your colleagues. Thank you for watching.